what do I have here? It's the Winegard FlatWave antenna. I don't get cable. I don't want to get cable. There's no way I'm gonna pay Verizon or Time Warner for cable. Consider I only watch one show, and that's a network television. And if you're wondering what that show is, I watch Terra Nova. I know it's cheesy with dinosaurs, but I like it. What can I say? So let's open it up and see what it looked like. Well, I know what it looked like. It's actually one flat panel look like this. So what do I have here? Coaxial cable, instructions, and wow, the antenna. It's really flexible. Connector. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna plug that into my computer, which have a TV card on it, and do a channel scan. Right now in my office where I am, I'm not picking up any channels. Can you believe that? I'm facing the door right now, east. Just plugged the antenna in, the FlatWave, and I just opened my Microsoft Media Player. Go to Tasks, Settings, TV signal, scan for more channels. Yes, I want to stop all. As you can see, I only got 4 channels actually. Last scan using a regular rabbit ear. So let's do a scan again. I'm not going to wait for the whole thing and record it. I'm going to pause and then periodically come back. The scan is about 13% done. As you can see, it has not found any additional channels. I placed my FlatWave in one of the recommended position, which is flat down. What I'm going to do next is try, if I don't find anything, or even if I find some channels, place it on the window. That will give me the maximum exposure to the airwaves. Again, I'm going to pause it and see what happens. As you can see, I have found no channels. So next, I'm going to pause the video again, move the antenna to the window, and test it again. Alright, I just placed the antenna about 7 feet above the floor against the window facing east. Let's see how it does. Scan again. Scanning 0%. 30% into the scan. Again, not picking up any more channels. If this don't work, what I'm going to do next is plug in one of these Radio Shack amplifiers. See if that can help. Now in this test, I have attached an amplifier to the antenna, and I want to see if this will help. About 25% into the scan. Again, nothing yet. Now, to be clear, I'm about 50 miles out of the main antenna outside of Mount Wilson in Southern California, and the antenna does state it only have a range of 25 miles. So this was just merely a test to see if I can pick up anything better. If this fails, what I'm going to do is the next time I'm going to my house in Chino, which is much closer to LA, the signal should be a lot better. I'm going to take my FlatWave antenna and my laptop, plug in the TV card, and do a scan there. And of course, record a second video, join them, and it will be after this section. Okay, the test is over. In all 3 instances, I did not pick up any more TV channels. The first setup, the FlatWave antenna is about 10 feet up the floor. I haven't really Velcro it tight down. It's facing the south. The antenna is south to the west here, southwest to here. It's connected to the coaxial cable. I used amplifier here and connect to the TV. As you can see, there are some signals. I'm going to do a channel scan to see how many. Alright, once the antenna is connected, we're going to do a channel scan. Test I'm doing closer to LA. I'm about 10 miles away from the TV reception tower. The antenna is right actually on the floor, flat, and as you can see, the scanning is about 47% done, and I already got 70 channels. That's including the main channels and the sub channels. I'm going to pause this right now, and we will see how many channels we get in the end. Okay, the scanning is done. I got 98 channels. Let's hit next and see if I can actually watch anything. Okay, let's do TV. TV. live TV. And as you can see, here's the high definition TV.